Thanks for checking out our Madagascar Dragon Tree. Now, it's actually Dracania marginata, and there's different variants. We have a tricolor one I'll show you at the end, but it's often grown as an indoor house plant. However, you can see we grow ours outdoors in Southern California. So they're hardy to zone 10, while we live in 9B. It does fine, and they do really well in a pot. You can see that this one is about 12 years old or so, and I gave it some worm castings, and it's really got all this new growth here, so it's really happy. So grow it in a pot with well-draining soil. You can use like palm and cactus mix, and make sure it has good drainage. That's key. Now, what I like about these leaves here are you can see that they have red on the margins. So they're green down the middle with that marginata. The margins on the edges are reddish. So most people prune these to about 6 feet, but they will grow much taller, 15 feet tall, 10 feet wide. Also, don't worry about this leaf loss. This thing is getting some full sun, and the hottest time of year, or the sunniest time of year, I should say, the summer solstice. So it gets a little bit of leaf burn in the morning from that harsh sunlight until about 11 o'clock. But full shade would be great, or very filtered sunlight. And I've even seen these grown in soil too, in Southern California. So they're pretty hardy. They'll develop some nice roots, and they look pretty in the wind. So they're very drought tolerant, and they don't need that much water. They get really developed roots, and they're just a really pretty plant. Now, they will get little tiny white flowers that turn into orange berries. It's very rare, so you don't see that often. In addition, they do have some other variants here. I'll show you this tricolor one, and they are poisonous, so don't forget that. So keep them away from pets. They can be very poisonous, so don't let your cats or dogs eat them. But here is a new one that someone gifted me, and it's very stunning, and it's more of a tricolor. It's got the pink, white, and the cream, or I should say pink, cream, and that beautiful green. So really like these plants. They do really well with propagation. You could use rooting hormone. So you could take a cutting, let it dry out, kind of like a succulent, and you could share this plant. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and get yourself a Madagascar Dragon Tree. They're really beautiful plants. Have a wonderful day. Take care.